Hello everyone, welcome to Suni's Craft History. Today we will learn how to make these beautiful flowers with the help of a satin ribbon. These are very easy and very simple to make. You can use them as hair accessories. You can attach an alligator clip or a tic-tac clip, or you can also arrange them on a headband. Either way, it looks so beautiful. For this, you can take any color of your choice, 1-inch satin ribbon, and for the leaves I have taken silver color, and pollen is again silver in color. So I will be taking the pollen and a 1-inch satin ribbon with yellow and silver color. This is very easy. You will know it once you check this video how easy it is to make. So without any delay, let's start the process. The materials required to make this beautiful flower are: you need satin ribbon, any color of your choice. Here I have taken yellow color and silver color for the leaves. You need lighter. You need a felt sheet, a circle, tweezers, scissors, glue gun, and needle and thread. For this, I have taken 1-inch ribbon and cut into 1-inch width and 1-inch length, as you can see. So it's 1-inch width and 1 inch in length. So for one flower, I have taken 5 petals. So here there are 3 flowers, so in total we need 15 petals. So let's cut 15 squares. I have cut few of them and kept it ready. Now what we have to do is we need to just shape the corners. A very small curve cut at the end like this. Can you see it? Like that. Take another square, or else you can just do like this, make it into, fold it into half and just give a small, you just need to round the ends like this. Let me show you clearly. Okay, just like that. I'll quickly do the others, folding into half. Take a lighter. What you have to do is put this in a slanting position like this. Don't put it like this, okay? Put it like this, cross, and put your lighter straight, and put your lighter straight. So this should be in a slanting position like this, okay? And your lighter should be straight, and you should not have high flame. Make sure you have the flame to the lowest possible. Now quickly you need to just swipe the petal like this, okay? Just watch carefully. That's it. When you do that, you can see a small bend, right? So this is what we want. It should bend slowly, lightly like this. So what happens if you don't cut that? Let me take a square and repeat the same process. Then you will know the difference. So here what happens is you get these sharp corners. Not sure if this is visible for you. You can see this ends coming out like that. So this doesn't give a neat finish. So that's the reason we are cutting the corners to get the smooth finish like this. Okay, so watch carefully. I'll do a couple of them for you to understand. Just quickly give a swipe. We are done with all the petals. Okay, let's keep this aside for now. And now let's take the silver ribbon. This again we need 3 on one side. 1, 2, 3. So 3, 3 and 3. So totally we need 9 such squares. For this I have already cut 1-inch squares around 9. And this is the same technique which we have learned in our video. Fold it into half diagonally, again into half like this, and bring these ends together. Okay, and let's seal it. And let's cut the end. See it? Okay, and then seal this end. So that's how you get this. So friends, I have finished making all these petals. So now let's start making the flower. Okay, so for this you need a needle and thread. Now watch carefully. You need to also seal this end. So these hair accessories which we make, we also sell them online. You can visit our Instagram page or Facebook page, and you can make an order anytime. You have also different models on our pages, so please do check it out. If you're interested in purchasing any of them, we'll be happy to place the order for you. So now let's begin with the petals. So now what I have to do is come halfway through the petal like this. Now put this behind this. Okay, just like this. Am I clear? Okay, like this. And then insert it over like this. Okay, once you have come halfway, place another petal behind the second one. So that's it. All you have to do is keep placing the petals one after the other. Take only 5 petals because we have taken 15 petals, 5 each for a flower. So after you have come to the last one, what you have to do is put this over this like this. Okay, take this and put it over it like this, and then seal this end. Make sure you come till this corner. Okay, don't just leave it halfway through, come till the corner. Now what you have to do is just pull it gently like this. See how easy it is to make this. Okay, first finish this petal. Let me do the other two and be back. Taking the 3 flowers. Okay, now let's look at the pollen. Now you don't need the entire bunch in the center. If you want, you can, but I don't prefer having the entire bunch. So what I do is I'll just separate them. I'll just take around 4 of them. Since our flower is very light, you don't need too much of pollen in the center. What you can do is you can insert it with the help of a tweezer in the center. Okay. Okay. Apply little glue and keep this aside. So let this stick like this. Cut the tail at the end like this. Take your glue gun, apply very amount of glue and attach the other one just like this. Okay, now take one, so what you do is for the center one, apply glue here so that it goes and sits properly when you place it at the center. Just like that. Okay, let's keep this aside. So now once this is done, now we have to attach the felt sheet. So now what you have to do is take these flowers and hold all the 3 like this, making sure the base is like this. Okay, keep 3 fingers inside 3 flowers and then put them together. Now apply glue like this and then take a felt sheet and place it at the center. Okay, now place them like this and start placing the leaves. See, between the 2 flowers you'll have a small gap, so start filling that gap with the flower leaves like this. Actually, you need to be very quick when you attach them so that the glue doesn't dry and if you had to do any adjustment, you can do it when it is still warm. Okay, like that, and then press it a little. See, we are done. So now what you have to do is, there'll be a gap between all the three like this, so we don't want them to come apart. So apply little glue so that all the three can stay intact together like this. Okay friends, see, now you can attach them to rubber bands, or you can use them as brooches, or you can attach them to the hair accessories. So if you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for many more such tutorials on ribbon flowers. And if anybody of you are interested in buying these flowers, please check out our Instagram and Facebook handle to place the orders. Thank you for watching. Stay happy and stay safe.